Welcome to Mini Medi. Today I'd like to talk about gratitude and Thanksgiving since Thursday is approaching and it will be Thanksgiving Day officially. However, I think every day is Thanksgiving Day. I hope that you are giving thanks for something every single day. So we're just going to relax, and it just started to rain a little bit, which is nice. And we're going to express gratitude for life and other things that might come up into your mind. Just give a thanks and appreciate life and everything about life and everything about you and what is good about you. We're gonna hold our hands either out in front of our heart or on our lap, whatever is most comfortable for you, and take a deep breath in, and we're going to take 3 breaths. Inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. One more inhale and slowly release. And today we're going to count our blessings and give thanks for all that is in our lives that is beautiful and good and worthy. And we understand that life is limited on time. Life is like a blink of an eye, it seems, and we are just so grateful for the abundance of life and so many experiences in life. Just learning to ride a bike, and every time we've rode on a bike, and just learning to drive and going on roller coaster rides and just rides at a carnival or eating cotton candy, simple pleasures, laughing with our friends, going camping and toasting marshmallows, swimming in the lake, hanging at the beach, listening to music, going to concerts. Everything that we've learned how to do from kindergarten, learning to read, learning boundaries as a teenager, finding our skills, having fun, just practicing and trying new things like cooking or changing the oil in a car. Maybe it's playing a musical instrument or competing in sports, your first home run, or the first time you served volleyball and you just learned, wow, I can do that pretty good. Whatever it is, there's so many things that you've tried and you've loved and you've enjoyed and you still are, just appreciating all the life that is around you and all the abundance and all the flowers and trees and puppies and dogs and children and birds, family, everything that is just beautiful and different and unique, and you, everything about you. Just say thank you, and then just say out loud whatever those things are. Thank you for my generous heart. Thank you that I am forgiving. And thank you that I can easily laugh, and for my spirit and my humor, and that I am a good friend, and I enjoy cooking for people and just hanging out and playing cards. Whatever that may be, maybe you take delight on making others laugh or helping them do something, or help them to garden, or to just help them and serve them, or just hang out with their children and play. Whatever it is, maybe you enjoy going to concerts right now, and there's so much in life to explore at the Art Institute and museums there's just so much and so many people in the world to enjoy it with. And just give thanks. Give thanks for everything that shows up and everything that you are, because you are amazing. Life is amazing. And for money and everything that comes into your life, just appreciate it and respect it and enjoy it. Do not curse it or think that there's a limit, because your life is plentiful and abundant, and just appreciate it. Appreciate who you are and everything about you, because you are beautiful and amazing. You are a delight. So make sure you go throughout your day with positive affirmations. I am a delight. I accept me. And if other people can't accept you, that's not your problem. That's their problem, and they're just at another level. So just go throughout your day and keep on a high level, because if you are on a good level, that is what you will attract. So you go into the world and you have your eye on the prize, view life as good and unfolding perfectly, divinely, and for you. And know that all good things are yours and coming your way, and expect them and delight in them. And it surely is true. And that is the level you will attract, because you are sure 100% that is your intention, and that is what you attract, and that is what I attract now, because that is the level. You go out into the world, whatever level you are emotionally is what will come to you. So make sure you go out into the world and know that you are worthy and deserving, and you are enjoying the favor of your higher power. So for me, I say God. I have God's favor, and my life is delightful, and I am delighted in what comes my way, and my life and my good is expanding in divine, beautiful ways here and now, and I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And with that, we're going to take one more deep breath in and out. Inhale and exhale. And you can slowly open your eyes and just say, thank you, thank you, thank you, divinity. I know that beauty is all around me. Life is good. I am blessed and I love life. And I'm so glad I was born, and this life is just providing me and everything that I want, desire, and have even considered. Because life, I may have limited it, but life is expansive and unlimited when you allow your higher power to be your guide. Doors will open for you. And with that, I just say thank you that you are here, and you have a gorgeous, expansive, wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I will talk to you later.